whistle going through, and this is another one where I've joined the PLA. That sort of straw colour is just going in, and it was running on sort of pinky purple colour. So we'll just wait for a few seconds, see if it goes through okay. Because I really don't trust this joining method. There's no significance in the colour choice. I'm just taking them at random from these bags of 5 metre lengths that cost me £1 for 20 lengths. For these random items off Thingiverse, I've been choosing items that use under 5 metres of filament, or I've been trimming the size to make it under 5 metres. This particular one is well under 5, it's only about 1.5 metres. I think we've changed colour. Difficult to tell with the first layer being very thin. Yeah, we've definitely changed colour. Right, we'll let it finish. Right, that one's finished. Do I dare whistle it? Nanny's already gone to bed, but she's not gone to sleep yet. She's reading a book. Sounds like it works. So yeah, it works. I've come downstairs again, so I'm not going to annoy Nanny. Do I dare try blowing it again? Ooh, that is loud. I better not do that anymore now. Another one for the collection. Excellent. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.